Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday out there. It is October 22nd, 2010, and I'm bringing you your morning coffee. Grains overnight up a little bit. Corn up about a penny, 1 to 2 cents. You had beans up 5 to 6. You had the wheat market 1 to 2 higher. So we did trade higher than that overnight, but right near the close we did back down a little bit, and that could have something to do with the dollar still remaining unchanged to up a little bit. The dollar has been the driving key over the last few days. As the dollar has increased, we've seen grain prices set back. The dollar is down significantly. We've seen grain prices rally. Over the last few days, with the just tremendous range we've seen for the dollar, today things are rather quiet. Like I mentioned, 2 cents higher there. You got crude oil up 70 cents. So you got the dollar higher, crude higher, and the grains higher. Seems like everything right now is pumped up a little bit, but we need to be careful. A lot of guys right now talking this corn. The export sales that we had seen yesterday, the 212,000 that was reported by the USTA, that is the lowest sales that we have seen for this week ever. So a lot of guys now saying that the impact on that we may be rationing demand here at these levels. We might find things pull back a little bit, and that we may be a little bit overpriced. Then you've got the bulls on the other side saying, hey, we still need to go up. We got yields that are down. You've got demand that's still going to pick up, and we should target somewhere close to 6 to 650. So you've got that battle going on right now, but overnight, as I mentioned, kind of steady. As far as beans, China's been a big impact here on beans over the last week. China's soybean processor margins here still remain positive, and you've got meat demand right now that is very strong yet. So, there's still some underlying support underneath these beans. The estimates right now is that we've already sold 61% of the estimates here for the marketing year already. So we have sold a tremendous amount of beans. We're on a great pace right now. Things look good, and we may find some good support here at lower levels yet on beans. As far as the wheat market being 1 to 2 higher overnight, you got Argentina's exchange that had raised wheat estimates overnight almost a million tons. So that could be looked at as negative, although we are trading a little higher. But wheat right now has been and probably will continue to be a follower to corn and beans. Corn and beans go higher, you're probably going to find that wheat try to go higher as well. But right now, fundamentals certainly are negative on wheat. You look at the charts. We closed yesterday below that down, or the uptrend, the long-term uptrend. We took that out yesterday and closed below it. If we do not jump above that again here today on a technical sense, that market will continue to look weak and may find further setbacks yet for the wheat market. The metals today, you've got gold that is unchanged. After seeing just a huge pullback here this week, more than 60 cents already, we've got it kind of taking it easy today, sitting unchanged. Silver had a pretty big down week as well. That is sitting about 2 cents higher, so rather quiet. As far as the soft markets, just like the metals, they're taking a break today, but in a different sense. You had the metals that have been pulling back. The softs have been rallying. You've had sugar continue to push into new highs. We did find a little bit of profit taken yesterday in sugar. We are still in an uptrend for sugar. We're still looking for pullbacks as buying opportunities. So continue to look at that. As we get close to this trend line, we're looking at trying to find some bull call spreads or find some kind of a long position here at that point, and trying to keep our risk kind of tight. But cotton has been up, and up. Today it's working on an inside day, although you've got the lead contract, which is the December contract, up 74 points, still looking pretty strong. We're probably headed up to go test those highs that we had last week near that 120 area. We still have a target that is a little bit higher yet, and you've got good demand out there for cotton. Charts look very strong, and you're probably going to find pullbacks as buying opportunities yet as far as cotton, so keep that in mind. Coffee's been very strong, closed into new highs yesterday. We do expect to see higher prices yet, but here today, kind of taking a break. It's sitting right about unchanged to a little lower, but pullbacks there, we're going to be looking at the long side as well. As far as the livestock, you've had the hogs right now that are trading higher, just along with everything else. Seems to be the pattern today. But you had hogs that are trading 10 to 20 higher right now. You had pork cutout values that were up about 82 cents yesterday. So we may find a little bit, of a bounce here today. But we've seen that market that has been collapsing over the last few weeks. due to heavy weights coming in. Maybe we could find a little bit of support in here and try to get a little bit of a bounce here in more of a bear market. We've got fat cattle that has been very strong, and cash cattle is done trading here for the week. We've got 102 to 102.50 in the south. You've got 158 to 162 in the north. So very strong there as far as cash trades. Probably going to find some more support there and maybe even try to rally this thing into the weekend. But cattle right now trading 40 to 50 higher. They may try to continue that. You had beef cutout values. Choice 62 cents higher with select up $1.35. So some strong pricing there. And we may find on pullbacks some support there as well. Give us a call over here with questions, 800-262-7538. We also have our conference coming up in January, and you can get a discounted price right now if you sign up by the end of October. So get in here, get signed up, get your seat reserved. You can check that out on the web as well at allendale-inc.com. And hope you guys have a great trading week, or a great trading day today, and a great weekend. And we'll talk to you next week. Take care.